Alright, we're here. I'm with my roommates. We're at the Misquamicut today. Should be a fun time. It's actually my first time here, so should be good. Drone with me today. We'll get some nice footage. We in Misquamicut with it.
We in the swamp.
This is the car. Here with my boy Dope.
You know what it is, man. Come on.
How we feeling about today? You ready to go?
I feel amazing. I'm ready to drink. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to get in the water. I'm ready to get in the sand. I'm ready to lay on the beach.
DC, how we feeling, baby?
I'm ready to dominate the day.
Yes, sir.
All right, you understand me?
Jackie, how we doing today? Love the shades. Love them.
It's a great day.
Hey, man.
Great day, Torrance.
Great day to have a great day.
Have a day.
Yes, sir.
Stay tuned.
Beach day.
Yeah.
Beach day. Shitting me. Still bad.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Mikey's got it all out today.
Yes, sir.
Baby.
Dude, they said
I got meatballs on me.
let's go.
Let's go. Let's see what we got here. What we got here?
You want to watch me bust my ass in 3 seconds?
Look at Buddy already in the water. Guys, unbelievable.
Guys,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
beautiful day today. How we feeling? How do you think it's gonna
You
go
know, we're
today?
feeling active. We're running on like 2 hours of sleep over the last 3 days. We're doing what we got to do, though. The grind doesn't stop. The grind
That's
does
right.
not
The
stop.
grind does not stop. All right, we're ready to get something to eat right now.
Yes, sir.
Where are we
telling
going?
Mike.
Where we going?
Are you recording? Are you recording? I've been telling Mike we should have went to McDonald's breakfast.
Listen,
Can you believe this man has
This
never had a
dude-
hash brown in his life?
I never said that. This dude likes McDonald's breakfast more than McDonald's.
Yes, bro. You
lunch.
can't get McDonald's breakfast all day.
That's actually crazy. Comment down below. McDonald's breakfast or McDonald's lunch?
McDonald's breakfast every single
No.
time.
We were coming up and I was like, all right, we'll just wait until 11 and that way we could get lunch.
Nah.
He was like, no, we want the
I
hash
just wanted a
brown.
hash brown, bro. That's all I wanted, a hash brown. Now I'm about to eat a freaking burger for breakfast.
This kid doesn't know anything. We at the beach with it.
I just need some food.
Probably can get food in there.
Alright, we're sitting at the bar trying to get some food, but it's pretty packed. So, we'll see what happens.
I need food. I'm trying to get a drink.
Yes, sir.
Come on now.
Got the chicken strips.
Yes,
here.
sir.
What we got?
Oh
What we
my
got, Dope?
God. Lobster roll. I got a burger. I got hot lobster. I got a tomato. I'm not gonna eat the tomato. I got some onion. I got some fries.
Let me see. Okay, what we got over here? What we got?
Everybody want my
Tacos. I think there's a lime here. Let me get the shot. Get the shot.
Anybody want the tomato?
Oh yeah, that nice lime juice right there.
Oh, can't play. Oh, dude, look at this.
Alright.
Oh, it's a fat boy too. Yep. Golden.
Less than I thought I was.
Alright, we just ate. We're walking back. I had the the chicken tenders and fries. $14.
Oh, you guys just put the fucking ball.
You know, it was good. $14 good, I don't know. But that's what you get when you're here. All right, what'd you get? What'd you get, Knowles? How was it? Give me a rating.
I got the Bay Breeze bucket, pretty good. And also another fried chicken strip platter.
How were the chicken strips? Good?
Oh, they're actually very good, very crispy.
Yeah.
A lot of color.
We're not together.
Good dark color on there, you know, good char.
Okay. Danny C, what'd you get? How was it?
Chicken tacos. It was
Give me a rating.
It was a 7.9.
Really?
A little too much juice. Too much juice. I got
Too
the
much
taco
juice?
tortilla.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Flavors were there.
What about you, Dill? What'd you get? How was it?
So I got a surf and turf burger. Came with bacon and hot lobster on top of a regular burger, right? Cheese was a little greasy. I think it came from the butter of the lobster that made the bottom bun a little wet.
Right.
But overall, the flavors were there. The burger was good, and I'm full.
So, rate out of 10.
Out of 10,
Yeah, how was it?
I give it a 6.5. A good 6.5.
Okay. That's
You know,
solid.
nothing crazy.
Nothing
Good
crazy,
burger.
but not bad.
No complaint. Well, you know, no serious complaints.
Okay.
Straight like that.
There you go.
Oh, fuck it.
Where are they?
We just went to get some food and we come back and there's about a 4-foot hole. Ah, boy. Going to work.
China?
Yes, sir.
All the way. Yes, sir, guys.
We outside.
Yeah.
Buddy in the hole with it. Top behind us. We outside. Guys, say hi. Everybody say hi. Gang, gang. Yeah, let's catch a seagull. We got chips right here. Hey man, we outside. Mike can see over there. Mans is over there building some stairs, my boy. Look at this dude. He needs some color. He need to go to the tanning booth. Look at this dude.
Alright, I'm here digging this hole right here.
Mikey digging holes, baby. Mikey, baby, towards baby mama digging
Might be
holes.
digging holes,
Yeah.
plowing holes. Holy shit.
Yeah, I don't know anything about that, but I got it. Here's the stairs, here's the hole, here's a shovel. We're gonna extend this out this way a little bit more.
Coming in.
That's the goal. Dan's coming in, use the stairs. That's, there we go, okay.
No hole is safe with
Say what up.
Yo.
The vlog.
Yes, sir.
We got some helpers with us today. What's your name?
Ryder,
Ryder. You're doing a good job, alright? What's your name?
Liam,
Liam and Ryder. They're helping us dig out this hole. Oh, the princesses right here. The most important part of the castle. And that's the king. King Liam.
Hey, yo, Jordan. Look at this guy.
Hey, we at the beach. Woo!
You know what it is, man. We out here, we surfing the surf waves. We in Hawaii with it. You see all the palm trees. Little baby wave.
Kaylee, how's the weather out here? How's your day been going?
Chilly outside, warm in the water, still
Really?
have my voice cut.
Pretty breezy out here, but it's good.
I don't know, it literally went away, and then I woke up yesterday and it was completely gone. And it's still gone, and I don't know how to get it.
Screaming and yelling.
All right, tell us the tricks. What's going on here? Tell us the technique here.
Well, basically,
You want to wait till there's a little bit amount of water, just
Okay.
covering enough of the sand.
Just like this?
So this is a little too much.
Okay.
So right here, I'll just show you. Just get in there.
Yeah. Beast!
Yeah, that's good. Go, go! Woo! Okay.
There you go. I'll follow you.
Oh!
Yeah.
No, that was...
Guzzy Shane on the board. Whoa! What do you score that one?
That was like a 7.2 out of 10.
7.2? That's generous. How are we feeling?
I'm really scared.
No, you got it.
We're gonna do it.
First try? First time?
Yeah, definitely. First try.
Go! Quicker than that, go! Yes, 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 yes!
Knowles, how are the swells out there?
The what?
The swells, the waves.
Oh, the waves were kind of weak, not gonna lie. I've seen some bigger ones.
Yeah.
I got hit once by a boogie board. I don't know who the person was. I may file charges later.
That's not good. We're gonna have to figure that out.
Hip's a little inflamed right now. You know, gonna get some ice on it, and I think we'll be good to go for the night.
Recovery times,
Recovery time is the hour and a half drive home. That's the recovery time.
all right. Sounds good. All right, about to have a catch with the crew. Billy, how's the vibe down here? Alright, we're wrapping up now. Headed back to school. It was fun. It's a good day. Good day, DC, huh? Good day.
I'm proud of you. I said that's a bully kid. I said that's a new bully kid.
Question of the day. If you had to choose two,
Every single time.
no. If you had to choose 2 gas station snacks, all-time best gas station snacks, what would they be?
Peach rings and a raspberry iced tea.
All right, so are drinks included
Snacks,
in this?
no drinks,
All right, so
just snacks.
I'm gonna go the purple bag of trolley sour gummy worms.
Oh wow, okay.
And then number 2 would probably be a Krispy Kreme honey bun.
Really? Okay. All right, Dan. What about you? All-time greatest gas station snacks. Drinks are not included.
Walmart.
Walmart? What do you mean Walmart? Gas station.
I don't know why I said that.
We're not at
I'm
Walmart.
gonna say water and
Water?
trail mix because I'm trying to get a 6-pack. None of these fucking gummy worms are gonna cut it, alright?
I just said drinks are not included, and first thing you told me was water. Actually, the first thing you said was Walmart.
Yeah, I don't know. My brain doesn't.
Camping up in the RV for the night and then just go back out tomorrow.
Yeah, dude. That'd be fire. All right, Sam. Top 2 gas station snacks of all time. What is it?
Sour Patch Kid Extremes,
Ooh, that's good.
and you know, the teriyaki Jack Link's beef jerky.
I knew you were gonna say the beef jerky.
I gotta stay with it.
I
It's
could have
great.
called it. I would have
some
called
homemade, some
big
homemade.
beef jerky guy right here. Alright, stop at 7-Eleven quick. Gotta get some gas, but Wix ice cream, underrated, unbelievable. And a slice of pizza.
Yo, let's fucking hurry it up.
Dill, tell them what you got.
You know what I'm saying, man. You know what we got here. We got the buffalo chicken taquitos. We got a little bit of ranch right here, right there, like dip it in there. This is a good gas station snack. And then I got some buffalo wing. It was looking good. I had never seen this before in my life. And then you know I had to get a bed. Yo, get this man. Get this man.
What are we doing?
What are you doing?
You spent $73 on gas. Let's use it.
That's a good idea.
Okay, let's go.
Well, let's go.